In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp API. By the end, you'll have a new app set up inside ClickUp so you can authenticate securely and start building integrations or automations with confidence. Start by signing into ClickUp. Make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you belong to more than one. You'll need the right permissions to manage developer settings, so if you don't see certain options later, check that you have admin access for the workspace you're using. Once you're in, head to Settings. You'll typically find the gear icon in the lower left corner of the ClickUp interface. Open it to access your workspace settings. From here, you'll be able to manage the developer tools you need for API access. Inside Settings, look for the ClickUp API section. This is where ClickUp centralizes everything related to app creation and authorization. If the API panel isn't visible, it's usually a sign you're in the wrong workspace or your role doesn't include permission to create apps. Switch to the correct workspace or ask an admin to adjust your access. Next, select the option to create a new app. You'll see a button labeled Create an App. Click that to open the form. Think of an app here as a registered integration that will obtain credentials and permission to act on behalf of users via OAuth. It's best practice to create a separate app for each distinct integration or environment. Give your app a clear descriptive name. Choose something that helps teammates recognize its purpose at a glance, like the tool it connects to or the project it powers. Good naming reduces confusion later when you manage multiple apps. Now add your redirect URL or URLs. This is critical. The redirect URL is where ClickUp will send users after they grant permission during the OAuth flow. It must match exactly protocol, domain, path, and any trailing slash. If you're developing locally, include your local host callback, and if you have staging and production environments, add each one as separate entries. Use HTTPS for public environments, avoid wildcards, and keep the list tightly scoped to the URLs you actually need. When everything looks good, click Create App. ClickUp will register your app and present the credentials you'll use during authorization. Treat these details like secrets. Store them securely, don't share them publicly, and rotate them if they're ever exposed. That's it. You've logged in, opened settings, accessed the ClickUp API panel, created a new app, named it clearly, defined your redirect URLs, and saved it. You're now ready to authenticate and start building with the ClickUp API.